We are at Erawan National Park and we're heading to the Erawan waterfall, which is a landmark here in the national park and in Kanchanaburi. And there are 7 tiers or 7 levels of this waterfall. And depending on your fitness, it could take anywhere between 1.5 to 3 hours to go up and down the 7 tiers. Also, if you want to be early, there's also accommodation here, so you can go as early as you want. It's 2 kilometers to go all the way up to the top. So going up and down could take like a couple of hours. And it's not steep, it's gradual, which is nice. As for accommodations, it starts at 800 baht for 2 people. And it goes all the way to 5,000 baht for 50 people. So you can also come as a big group. Here is a viewpoint on the way to level 4. And we have officially reached level 4, which is called Ok Nang Pi Sua. It means the chest of the lady butterfly. In case we reach here in the afternoon, you cannot go up to levels 5 and 7 after 3:30 p.m. So just beware of that. Wow.
It's so beautiful.
Very beautiful. Those leaves, green leaves look like berries. Here, like berries. And hairy. The ants. On the way to level 5, this is another good spot for selfies and photography of the landscape here. Very beautiful. They built this platform so you can have a nice look at the area around here. This tree bark is so huge, it looks like it's a giant's foot and leg going all the way up. Here we are at level 5. In this area you can swim, you can walk across the waterfall to the other side, and yeah, you can enjoy a lot of water here. There's also fish here still, as you can see, but also a lot of people. There are some monkeys here as well. I don't know if you can spot it there. Just walking. Yep, climbing that tree. Yes, it's gonna maybe jump. Yep, it jumped. Yeah, and they're crying as well. Woo, very fast.
Such clear waters.
We're quite close to level 6 now. It's getting bigger and steeper. So beautiful. Here the platform goes to level 6 and just one more level to the left side. There is quite a hike for level 7, but seems like it's gonna be really, really worth it. This is still somewhere on the way to level 7. Whew. And we're finally here at level 7 of the Erawan waterfall. Woohoo. This place closes at 3:30 p.m. You can swim here a bit, bathe, dip, enjoy the scenery. Woohoo. I'm getting my calves and feet wet just to come here. It's a bit deep. Yeah, so if you're short like me, you need to be careful. You need to maybe just roll your pants up if you're wearing long pants. It's so beautiful here. Like, this is so smooth, so nice. Wow, just flowing down like a slider. And here the water is so blue. It's a bit deeper here, so people can swim here. So nice. Oh. This is the 6th level. Water is still very clear and beautiful. Here the waterfall is getting bigger and bigger. There is a natural slider here, which is so lovely. The pool is deep enough to be safe enough for this slider to slide you down. A girl just slid down there. I think the guy is about to slide down as well. Oh no, it's a girl who's gonna slide down. Yeah, so nice. So it looks a lot of fun. Okay, here we go. She's about to, it's a little girl, I think, still a kid. Yeah, she seems a bit scared, but oh no, that's scary. Yeah, here we go. Ooh, done. There's a butterfly sitting on the camera right here. Oh, it's really cute. It's just walking casually. Here is where the bottle deposits happen. This is to make sure that the environment is minimally spoiled. So we give 20 baht, they mark a bottle, and we get 20 baht back when we show them the same bottle. Here we have some drinks and food. You need to exchange coupons though. And you can also relax and sit here. So you can have lunch, enjoy the scenery. Let's see what we have. We have ice cream, the typical ones, and we have some desserts like some cakes, some pies, bread, instant noodles, water, drinks, soft drinks, some clothes, as well as some lunch boxes. They cost quite cheap, like 30 baht. So we have, let's see. Yeah, minced pork, fried chicken wings, some meatball sausages, quail eggs, and like some noodles, grilled pork skewers, yeah, some fried dishes with just 30 baht, not too expensive.
This is the place we have decided to have lunch. And this is a wonderful place. They have a lot of menu.
Let me take a moment to tell you, Alissa and I, we love to travel, and we bring the beauty around the world to you in the form of travel vlogs. If you're interested in traveling and would like to know more about travel gears and itineraries, you should check out our playlist of countries and reviews. It will help you to understand your destination and what to carry during those trips. This is all free, and you can show us your support by watching those videos.
If you enjoy our content, whether it's travel vlogs or gear reviews, and would like to have access to our exclusive content, please support us on Patreon using the link in the description below.